Hi, this is Cindy, and this video is going to show you an easy way you can access shared folders in OneDrive for Business on your own personal computer. So you can tell from looking at my list of favorites right here that I've already downloaded the OneDrive for Business app. You can also see that I have OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox. There's all kinds of cloud storage that allow you to run apps on your computer that actually make a local copy on your machine. Now, the one we're talking about right now is this OneDrive at Eagle Mountain, Saginaw ISD. Yours is probably going to say OneDrive for Business. I think mine says that this way because I installed the app before Microsoft made a name change, I think. But regardless, that's what that is. That is a local copy of the files that I have put up personally into my OneDrive for Business app. Now, if someone else wants to share a file with me, they go ahead, they upload it into their OneDrive for Business, and then they share it with me. And I receive an email that looks like this. This tells me that Lisa has uploaded a folder called HDC Training into her OneDrive for Business, and she's sharing it with me, so I got this email. So what I need to do is go ahead and click on the link, and this is going to actually take me into Lisa's OneDrive for Business folder, just the portion that she has shared with me. Now I'm going to open mine so you can see it. Remember, I'm in my library here on my local computer, but here's a neat trick. If I want to get into my actual OneDrive folder that's up on the web, I can right-click, go to OneDrive for Business, and say go to Browser. I'll minimize that down, and you're going to see that now I'm in my own OneDrive folder. So these are exactly the same folders that you saw in that Windows Explorer window that was showing you the local copy. In theory, I should be able to go over here and click on Shared with Me, and I should be able to see that HDC folder. But currently, we're seeing some problems with that. I actually know that that folder is right here. It's called New Folder. So I'm guessing that when Lisa created it, she called it New Folder, and she went back and changed it later, but that change hasn't updated. But we have seen instances where people have shared items with us. We can get to it through the email, but we don't see it here. So what I'm going to do is flip back over. Remember when I clicked on the link in Lisa's email, it brought me to here. So what I'm going to do from this page is click the sync button, and it comes up and it tells me, are you sure you want to do that? Now I've already have the OneDrive for Business app, so I don't need to get that. So I click sync now, and it comes up with, lots of legal mumbo jumbo. So I, of course, read it all, and I'm going to choose to remember my choice, and I go ahead and say launch application, and it's actually running another small little application from my computer. So it's telling me these documents from Lisa are going to go into a new folder that's going to show up under my favorites. So I tell it to sync now. It's doing its thing. And as soon as it's finished, it's telling me that it's syncing. Now, there's only a few things in here. If this was a big folder, it would take longer. But I'm going to go ahead and click Show My Files. Or I could have opened my folder structure again. And you will now notice that in addition to Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive for Business, and OneDrive, I have a Sharepoint folder. I'm starting to think I might have a little problem here. There's a lot, but that's okay. They're all very helpful. So when I look in my Sharepoint folder, that's where I am right now. I see the things that other people have shared with me. This is huge, very helpful. I think you'll want to do this for sure. So the easiest way to do it is wait till someone shares something with you, click on the link in that folder, then go ahead and hit sync and walk through this process. Now I can access the things that I've uploaded. I can access the things that Lisa gave me. So when I click on this, double click, I see all of the things she shared with me.